Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need help with?
I'm looking for this address, but I'm not sure how to get there using the bus. Public transportation.
Ah, I see. You're new here, huh?
Yes. I just arrived today, but I'm still having trouble finding my way around. The place I booked to stay had problems, so now I'm trying to get to another location, but I feel completely lost.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. That sounds really stressful.
Yes, it is. I honestly don't even know where to start.
Don't worry, I'll help you figure it out. Let me see that address. Oh, okay, this is downtown.
Downtown? Is it far?
You're not too far from it, about 20 minutes. There are a few ways to get there. You could take a bus. It's the cheapest option at $2.50, but you'll need exact change or a transit card. There's a metro station 2 blocks from here. It's faster than the bus and costs around $3. However, you'll need to buy a metro card, and it can be tricky to find the right train if you're unfamiliar with the system. There's also a train station nearby, but it's more expensive, around $7. Plus, the train schedule isn't as frequent, so you might have to wait longer. You could take a taxi or use a rideshare app like Uber. It's the easiest option, but also the most expensive, costing $15 to $20.
Oh, that's a lot to think about. Which one do you think is the easiest?
Honestly, I'd say the bus. It's about 20 minutes by bus. Do you see that bus stop over there?
Yes, I see it.
Great. You'll need bus number 45. It's coming in about 10 minutes.
Bus 45. Okay. And, how do I pay?
You'll need exact change, or you can use a transit card if you have one.
Oh, I don't have a card. How much is it?
It's $2.50.
Oh, no. I don't have any local money, just some foreign cash.
That's okay. There's a currency exchange just 2 blocks from here. You can change your money there.
Really? Oh, thank you. But I'm not sure where it is.
No problem, I'll explain. Walk straight down the street, then turn right at the corner with a coffee shop. The exchange office is on the left side, next to a bookstore.
Okay, straight and then right. I think I got it.
Once you have local money, come back here to catch the bus. The bus comes every 15 minutes, so you shouldn't have to wait long.
Thank you so much for all this information. You've been incredibly helpful.
Of course. The bus is the easiest way to get downtown, but if you're in a rush, a taxi is a good backup option.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
Oh, and one more tip. Google Maps can be a lifesaver for bus schedules and directions.
Ah, thank you. I'll try to use it.
You'll just need to get some local money first. You'll be fine. Welcome to California, and I hope everything works out for you. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it again.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Take care, and good luck.